adjust it. That's why. Yeah, they couldn't adjust it and shit. They couldn't move it, so
We got Kanye and Baller Tim.
Baller Tim. Baller Tim.
I'm going to show you guys the camber kit. So you got the, what, J power you said?
Yeah, J power.
Toe arm, there's one there, one down there. And then we got the skunk 2. Skunk 2, we got the True Heart camber kit. Then we got the front ones. Yeah, just finishing this side, and then I'll show you guys the other side. I'll show you on this side. We're gonna do the camber kits and the 2 toe arms. So what you're gonna do is take off this pin right here, this cotter pin, just like that. And we're gonna take this 17 that's off right here, and then back here we got another 14 bolt back here. We're gonna take off, and then we're gonna take this camber kit off. All right, if you guys are doing this, make sure you take this clip off. You get more room for your little 17mm bolt. And then, yeah, we'll go ahead and take it off now.
Right up.
What happened?
My lip went numb. That's what happened.
He ate some pussy in his lip. So you take this bolt off, just so we can leave some stress on this back bolt. It'll be a little bit easier. We're gonna hit it with a hand mallet right here. Yeah, that was actually pretty tough. Huh. All right. All right, now we continue taking the back bolts off. It should be a little bit looser now. We can actually probably move with our fingers. But yeah, this is probably the time-consuming part. All right, so this is a 14. And that's right here. This one's a 17 that was under here, and he just had to hold it. 17 on one side and the 17, and this is out. So now we'll go open up our new ones. One's gonna be longer than the other one, so let's see. So the back one's longer, so we're gonna get the short one. So let's see. And so this is the long one. Keep the short one here. And we're just gonna match it, and the alignment shop could fix the rest. All right, new one's in. I'm gonna do the other one now. Just gonna match the length. Camera kit is out. Before we put these, we're going to take the other arms out, which is this one, the 17, one over there. So we'll go ahead and probably take this one off right here. This one actually has a line on it. Does the new ones have that? Probably not.
No. It's the rear one. That's not the one. It's the one in the back.
Oh, there's 2. Man.
Yeah, these 2. Yeah.
All right, never mind. We're not taking that one off. Cut. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take this one off first. This one's most likely a 17. This side you don't gotta hold, so this one will just come right off. Over there you might have to hold it, but there's another 17 back there as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now. So this one's out. When you put this in, there's a sweet spot because it's oval. And it'll slide in, just in case you have trouble putting this back in. But yep, we're gonna go ahead and move over to this arm right here, and then see we'll be doing this arm right there, and it's connected to right here, right there. All right, back to Tim.
What's up, guys?
Back to Tim.
Baller Tim here with sports.
Baller Tim. Ball out in 1 month.
Ball out 1 month, Tim.
Basically in a month, huh?
Right? Yeah.
The lip, wheels,
everything.
whole 9 yards.
Oh, 9.
The new True Heart camber kit. We're just gonna match it for now. New castle nut, and it comes with new cotter pins. Make sure you put the cotter pins in. Alright. We're just gonna max them out, give them hella camber right now. All right. Go ahead and show you a little bit. So we're gonna do changing this upper control. You've probably seen this before. So this is a 17. You take that cotter pin off. That's right there. And then the back over there is two 14s. I just use a wrench and just slowly work it until it's loose. Once it's loose a little bit, I take this bolt off. And then you gotta drop the coil over up here. Well, these are the bolts on here. You can take off just so you could get room for it. That's the best way I've seen how to do it. I'll probably show you guys that part when I get to it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these bolts off and then smack it with a sledgehammer right here. You know, break it loose. And then Kanye will just drive off with no tires. Don't forget to take that 10 mil off. And then yeah, take that 10 mil off, move that brake line out of the way. Alright, you can see the top is off on the coilover. And that gives us room to take the bolts off because we could push the coilover towards me. And then now we can get this out. And we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in and then yep, tidy it back together. Two hearts, camber kits are on. He's doing it to fix camber, not get camber, so we're gonna leave it how it is. And he's gonna get alignment tomorrow. Oof.
Super light.
You know what I'm saying? We got Boba Pub, you know what I'm saying? Tuning in. We got UA Squad, you know what I'm saying? We people around, you know what I'm saying? Cameraman. We got Mariah right there.
You get to see her like her head.
Hey.
Just like that. Alright.
Just let you know I'm fertile. You know what I'm saying?
You're like, I'm fertile.
Am I on YouTube now?
Maybe.
Fantastic. Give me some ad revenue.
Alright, I give you that $1.70, that $1.75 I made.
Super, bro.
We got
Over a fucking flat tire, dude.
Dude, especially if you're
Tell
on the
everyone
highway,
what's going on right now.
Yeah.
Tell the viewer what's going on
What's
right
up,
now.
bro? We're about to get my banner on.
Alright.
Finally.
His Instagram
Pillow Chubs.
right here.
Pillow Chubs. Pretty easy.
Got Tipsy, you know, famous Tipsy over here.
Hey, hey, I see. I was like, oh hell, I mean,
your motto is the second gen out of the second gen.
No, it's a second generation. Oh no, second. I don't know how to say it, but it's the third one.
Exactly.
Look, he did it right now.
I was like, what the?
SBC rear
Oh, those SPCs give a shit ton for our cars too. No, I already know. What's up? You seen Tim? We didn't see him from the last time he bought my wheels off me. So, quick update, and I'll show you what we're doing. So this is Baller Tim. His name changed since the last time you saw him. First he was just Tim, now he's Baller Tim.
Baller Tim now.
As you can see, he bought my CCWs. He's rocking them already. He got a new paint job on his car. It's like almost lighter than Nardo Gray, huh? He got his HIC window visors. He got the endless RPM.
That's RPM, brother.
Endless RPM duct bill. He got beat in his car now. And he got a bunch more packages. You got the seat covers, right?
No, I bring them.
So what are we doing today?
Oh, here.
All right. Well, I guess maybe not seat covers today. We'll see.
I mean, I can, but the lip,
So
and
we-
then I have the Lucenta fogs.
So we got the front universal lip, and then we're gonna do some fog lights. It wasn't clipped on, huh?
It was clipped on.
Oh, it was.
It was clipped on.
Maybe the bulbs burnt out. Maybe we'll see.
It's weird though, because it was working perfectly before it paint
Right.
stopped.
And then, so in this 1 week, how much did you spend on your car?
I spent almost 12.
12,000, and he's still not done. So you want to tell him what you ordered?
I ordered soon getting fog lights, and oh, I'm getting bags.
Yep. So he got it from where I got mine from. So he saw my video. He got the same exact bag. So we're gonna go ahead and we already ordered it. So by the time you see this video, maybe he might have it in. I don't know. But all right. So you got that. You got the endless RPM seat covers. So yeah, you got the fog lights. You got the LED strip. You got everything. This guy's a baller.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Yeah, you're gonna see him on the channel for a minute. So all right. So we're gonna go ahead and fix the fog lights. Get the splitter on. Did you bring the vent?
Yeah.
And he got the air vent. So I'll probably make a better video for that one. Maybe this will be the title of the video, is installing his air vent, because a lot of guys, I didn't make a good video on it.
Yeah. Right here.
Damn. All right. Still light, huh? All right. Let's get this going. All right, so he bought this universal side splitter. Comes with like 3 pieces, but it was too short. So if anything, you see in my video, I just kind of used the last piece, and then we just cut it. You can see we cut it right there. And this part, the only piece we're gonna be using. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, and after that, we're gonna make a air duct vent. Part right here. All right, so when you're installing this air duct, you do not want to cut too much or it will show. So right here is what I cut out. Let me measure it for you, that way you're easier. How we're mounting it, there's 2 ways. There's this way and there's also this way. That way looks pretty cool too, huh? This way will look cool because it matches right here even. It'll point a different direction. So right now, I'll give you this measurement in a bit. Let's see which way we're gonna mount it. So this one looks cool because you can line it up better, you know? Like with this, it'll line up better. This way, I've had it so it can be more functional, but it'll line up right here a little bit better, you know? So we'll go ahead and just kind of put the bumper on, and then we'll see which way we want to do it. All right, so he kind of put it in the same direction, and
just a little bit.
yeah, so he put it in the same direction, and it does hit the crossbar. So we're gonna cut that off a little bit, just right here. That way it flows it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut this just a little bit. But if you move this a little bit further out, then you won't have this issue. But yeah. All right, so this is how much I cut off. This is how it looked before, and I just basically just made an angle, and then I kind of cut it towards that edge of that metal tab right there. All right, we'll get the bumper on and we'll test fit the vent again. So this is what we cut out. You can see where we had to trim this a little bit. That way it could hit the curve. So this part is gonna go like this. And then, yeah, we just kind of line it up a little bit towards the bottom, match that. So let me give you the measurements for this, so that way you can do it yourself. So we're gonna measure the top. The top was about 5 inches long. The bottom is also 5 inches long. This diagonal piece is about 2.5 inches. All right, so it's 5 inches, 5 inches, about 2.5 inches, these width. Whatever, you just want to go diagonal with it. So yeah, they're all the same measurements, so it's kind of hard. But yeah, this one's gonna go diagonal this way, this one's gonna kind of go diagonal that way. Or just do a square, and then when you put it in, you could just cut more like how I did. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put on the vent now. Yay. So we'll just put it in and put the screws on and line it up. All right, when you're screwing these in, just be careful because carbon fiber will crack and they don't flex the best. But yeah, here it is. You can see these are different screws than it came with. The other ones came with these ones, and I don't know, they're kind of rough. We just use these self-toppers for now, but yeah, you can see. And then in here, just go straight in, and his intake is over there somewhere. Nice. moving on to the next thing. All right, we got Tim. We got his seats all done. I think I shut off his carbon fiber. Ooh, some green crisp. You got that too. One with carbon fiber HICs. And here is his seats. Oh, Tim's making big moves.
Sauteed with bell peppers and onions.
Mostly CWs.
Give you a little appetizer like a tostada before you eat.
What you could have been, what we could have been. You left me in the Honda, now I'm in the Fortune.